How to insert an in-text citation using Zotero in Word. In-text citation and referencing are part and parcel of our thesis and cannot be underrated. TechTricksGh will walk you through the process. One must install Zotero software with a Word plugin and the browser connector for Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. If you are new to Zotero, check out my previous video to help you install Zotero and follow suit when done. Launch Zotero software and save or sync your references in Zotero. Click inside the text where you want to insert the in-text citation. From the Zotero tab, click on the Add or Edit Citation. When the Zotero document preference dialog box appears, select citation style of your choice. Let's go in for APA 7th edition and click OK. A rectangular pop-up bar will appear. Just enter the author or author's name. When the article appears, select and press the Enter key on the keyboard for it to appear in the text. You can also reposition the full stop or period. Let's move to the next in-text citation. Click where you want to insert the in-text citation and click on Add or Edit Citation. A rectangular pop-up bar will appear. Just enter the author or author's name. When the article appears, select and press the Enter key on the keyboard for it to appear in the text. Click on Add or Edit Bibliography to populate the references. As you can see, it is in an alphabetical order. Doing it in a manual way may be difficult if you have a chunk of references to deal with. Let's manually enhance its looks to meet the thesis criterion. You can also vary the style and allow the author or authors who postulates or hypothesized a statement to precede the text. Researchers often do this to break monotony, strongly affirm a quote, or give the thesis a sense of dynamism. TechTricksGh, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.